Welcome student, class 9 student. We are going to start basics of information technology. I am going to teach more about the computer system, what is hardware and software, functions of computer system, IPO cycle, that is called input, process and output. Okay, let's start. Now we are going to use first, what is a computer system? What is a computer? Computer is a machine. Computer is an electronic machine which can perform any task as per the user demand, as per the user command. Computer is a machine which consists with the help of two things. One is hardware, another is the software. Hardware means the part of computer which is peripheral devices, which is known as a input and output devices, that is a keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, light pen, touch screen, barcode reader, etc., etc. These are the parts of computer. These are known as a hardware. These parts we can see, we can touch. These are the physical component of computer. Second is a software. Software we can't touch, but we can see the effect of the software. Software can perform with the help of the hardware and we will get their effect. Software categorized two types. Software categorized two types. One is a system software. This is known as a OS, operating system. Operating system is which software going to help to the computer to get ready to perform the job. We are using Windows, Unix, Linux, iOS, etc., etc. This is a requirement of the computer, not a user. User requirement is secondary. First, computer get ready. That is the main job of the operating system. If we have a branded computer but we don't have operating system in that, then our computer is dumb machine, will not respond. If we have a computer with the operating system, then only we can say, yes, this is my computer, this is our computer which is going to perform any task as per user demand. Second number is application software. Application software is not, nowadays we are saying app, mobile app, particular app. App means the application which is going to help to the user, not to the computer. With the computer parts, user going to get benefit of that. Just like I am giving one example. If you want to explore some information over the internet, then with which software you are going to explore these things? This is known as web browser. Web browser is also one application software. You want to draw one painting in a computer. You can't draw without the application software. We are using normally in MS Paint. We want to draw the pictures, normal shape, basic shapes. If you want to use nice graphics pictures, then we can use the Adobe Photoshop, etc., etc. There are other application software. So these are the application software. Next, how computer work, that is called functions of computer. There are the main three things which is going to perform the complete task, that is known as functioning of computer depends on input, process and output. For example, I want to calculate two number, 2 plus 2. When we use 2, 2, plus, this is a raw fact. This is not a particular order, this is not a command. This is a raw fact, a raw data. When we give this raw data into processed form, as is called systematical command, this is a command, 2 plus 2. That means this command can be processed. This will display as a 4. This will not display here, this 4. 4 will be on the output device. Just like you have seen already, this input devices, keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, light pen, voice synthesizer, whatever, they all are connected to the CPU box. Then after the CPU, where we will get the result? We will get the result on monitor. Monitor is a part of computer to display the answer. Not only one part monitor, we have total 4 output devices. That is known as the first is a monitor, that is called soft copy. Then hard copy is printer, plotter, even the speaker. So these are the output devices. There you will get the output. So today we have learned simple working of the computer, how we can work. Moreover, some other topics also there. What I have given PDF to you, in that all topics are there. You may go through just like the compute word. Compute word means to calculate. Computer means to calculate and store also. Compute means just like calculator. And what is the strength and weakness of computer? Okay, let's consider with this only. Strength and weakness of computer. Strength means what computer can. Computer can work with very fast speed, amazing speed. Second, accuracy. Computer does not commit mistake. We people, the person who is using computer, they can commit a mistake, but computer can't, because computer is a machine. Second, third is reliable. That is a reliable machine. Computer is a reliable machine. Computer work continuously without any break. 24/7 also it will work, but it work with the help of user instructions. Next, large storage capacity. What work we can complete with the paper work? Just like one complete room is filled with by the different files. Such files record we can keep in a small memory card, either chip. So large storage capacity. What work we can forget after 1 week, after 10 days, after a year, after a few years, but computer can store that things forever. Okay, when up to the particular device is in working condition, the computer can store that data for the future use, for retrieve. Main purpose of the storage unit is to retrieve, to reuse the data, whatever we are going to save, we can recall or reuse. Next, after storage capacity, now we are going to come on to the weakness of computer. Computer is a machine, as I told, electronic machine, does not have their own thinking power, own intelligence, lack of thinking. What decision we want to make, user only can tell the decision how to work and what to work. Computer can't take any decision themselves. And computer is depend on the power, electricity. Without power, we cannot perform any task with the computer. With power, yes, if power is there, we can continue to performing the job, different jobs. Okay, for the first basic of information technology, this much. You may go through with the all complete PDF, whatever I have given, and if you have any query, you may ask. Okay.